everyone, welcome to our channel Smalay Philippines. It's Tuesday afternoon. We're going to CDC Park or in the...
No, Shaira, we're going to not a CDC park, another park. Okay.
Yes, it's CDC Park also.
It's part of CDC park?
Yes,
Okay.
it's part of Clark.
And
we take
today
the car.
holiday, today what name of holiday?
Halloween party.
Halloween party. We're going to Halloween party in Walking Street later. But now what you want?
I will take the rabbit.
Okay, you take rabbit.
I don't know.
We're going to the park with rabbit.
Aray, aray, aray. Let's go to the party.
So we're going to the park with rabbit. Okay, Shaira, you sit. You can?
What can I do?
So we need to buy first foods for us and go into the park. What I already take. Okay, let's go. Hi everyone. Now we're in the center of Mabalacat city, Pampanga. We just arrived to for buy foods. We will eat in the park and we have rabbit. Oh, rabbit clean. Shaira will buy foods for us.
Don't forget PM1, okay?
You want PM1?
Yes, PM1. If don't have PM1, have Bagdo.
Okay, but I want chicken.
What can I do?
Okay, I will buy chicken.
Yes,
Chicken in Nassau.
Yes.
Okay, wait me. We park in the McDonald's parking. It's free parking.
Hi, sir.
Good afternoon.
Grab the room, sir.
This is center of Mabalacat city. Jollibee, Choking, McDonald's. But I go to chicken in Nassau. And people now waiting jeepney. Some of going to the home.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
Okay.
Good afternoon. PM1 available now.
Yes, sir.
2 PM1
2 p.m. 1.
with drink.
With drink, sir.
Yeah.
How
Take
many,
take
sir?
out. Take out.
Take out.
Yes, take out. Take out 2 PM1.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Have PM1. PM1.
Sprite.
Sprite, one cola for you because
okay.
you want cola.
But don't have spoon and fork?
I have. Before I bought already. Already won't go outside. Also want it. Okay. Okay, we will go. I pay only 300, about 300 pesos for chicken. We can show. Let's go to the park. This is center of Mabalacat. So heavy traffic. This is Mabalacat public market. You can buy fruits also. Meat also, yes, meat. time now 4:30. 4:30 always traffic. People go to the Tarlac city, yeah, Shaira? Most of people work in Angeles, but live in Tarlac.
Yes, also it's go to cemetery
Today also go to cemetery.
until November 2.
Right side to Subic. This way. Yes, STX, yes. And straight Clark. And left Clark International Airport. So you can see this is already Clark International Airport. Left and straight. But we're going to the park, to the Clark. This is park very close from Clark Land. This is Clark Land. No pets allowed in the park ground. No, a car is okay. No, straight. We park near tree. Okay. Yeah, good place here. We can eat here. We have table, chair, have 2 chair. Rabbit, okay? Okay. Rabbit.
So we sit here.
Yes, I will put table.
Niki Niki. Niki Niki.
Sit here with water. This is water. Your water. How much is 143 peso? It's 1 pieces with including drink. Without drink it's about maybe 125 peso. And we can eat also. It's good place, silent. It's
But I
very
don't think I can use my spoon.
up to you. You can use. We have a tissue in the car. Okay, Shaira, you sit. Wait me. I will take video in this park. Okay?
Sure, you're very sure.
No, thank you. No, no, not need. No, thank you.
Look.
I will show park right now.
Money. Money, sir. Money.
we always go to this park, but we use motor. Sierra's close. No vandalism. Of course, already broken. You can see so many motorcycles, scooters driving. We go home. Now 5:15. 5:15. So many people finish work. That's why traffic.
Sa Cobiaso.
I'm talking with her because this December we have group, right?
Uh-huh.
We plan where place where we're gonna donate some dress like this, like clothes.
Help to people.
Yes, that's why I'm asking where she play, where her
Where
she's
we live?
placed.
Where you live? Where you live? Maybe with our group we help to your people.
This sa Cobiaso Mountain yun.
Near Sacobia Bridge.
Oo, yeah.
Okay.
Because sa Cobiaso, many people this sim.
They sail.
Marami.
It's all your children's.
Oh, yeah.
Your children, really?
Mga boys, baby. These are dance. Mga...
Grandchild.
If you go there, if you help them, they will dance there.
Okay, dance now.
Yeah.
Okay, this is all. You share, yes. Okay.
This my baby. Maliliit sila. Saka,
You have baby and it's your grandchild.
Yeah.
How old are you now? How old?
Pila na ka ano? Pila na ka?
Grade.
Ilan ang taon
I
mo?
not speak English, maybe.
5. December 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 7.
This is small.
7, 5.
Maliit pa ako.
Before American come here, they help them.
American help them.
Yes, before have hospital here before.
When have hospital and
Hospital.
Clark.
Yeah. Tapos, adapt nila sa state this sugat dito. Maliit pa ako. Gusto nila ako sana dalhin sa state.
Before she had something problem here, that's why American want to adopt her to go to America. But I don't know. But na kayo po mi para sky.
Dadala na ako itang American state because kung laki na siya, para ibigay ko rin sa'yo. Baka mag-asawa na dito sa amin, ibigay ko rin sa'yo. Nabuhay ako sa kanila rin.
Because of the American, that's why she's alive.
That's why she can speak good English. But your grandchild cannot understand English. Wait, not go to the school, not study. Children.
No school.
No school.
These are children. This na die na. This daddy die na. Because the big na, doon ako lumaki.
Mhm.
Doon sa American. Kaya natuto ko yung English speaking because sila ay nagpalaki sa akin.
That's why he know how to speak in English because she have parents American before.
Mhm.
That's why she know how to speak. They teach her to speak English, and she don't have father before.
Mhm, mhm. But her grandchild cannot speak English.
my
you know.
Mag-aral na po rin.
Ito, grade 4. Ay, grade
They're studying,
Studying now.
but
Mhm.
they need to. Nano po salita yung anta magkaila po. Mas kaila tang aita or
Aita.
more aita la po rin
Aita.
saltada.
Ay, kami.
Ah, you Aita. Oh.
Yeah.
Mhm.
No Filipino na basta Aita.
Mhm, mhm.
Pero kay po, nanula po na yung kaida tuturo da karela. English, Tagalog o kay po.
Tagalog.
Tagalog po. Ate pong English.
English.
They have also, but they're so
Young.
little young
Yeah,
also.
maybe later they can speak English better because you can teach.
Yeah.
So until 6 o'clock only here. It's allowed.
Yeah, we're going home of course. Now 5:20. Yeah, it's no problem.
Hindi maglakad kayo po kanyang kilog. Klinikan nyo na.
Oh, wala.
Parang wala naman sa pinila.
Shaira, what is this?
Tako. Tako.
But who is Shaira?
It's big lizard.
Ah, big lizard in the tree?
Maybe have here. But sometimes in the home, so big.
Hmm. Okay, Shaira, prepare. I need to already go because park until 6. Нет, тут друга еще. It's comfortable, right? You can use from the Clark International Airport and until the center of the Clark. Okay, Shaira, you can? Okay. Mhm.
We're going home na. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.